Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can export your pages in the Plane Project Management application as a PDF on your device. So let us dive into this. So if you'd like to gain access to your customized project pages separately on your device, you may save them as a PDF and open them through a PDF viewing tool, guys. This is how you can do it. Head over to your workspace in the Plane Project Management tool. Select your project on the left panel and navigate to pages. After that, select your page here, and you can do this, guys, by clicking into this button in the top right corner, and from here simply select export from the bottom of that menu. And here next to export format, click into that drop down menu and select PDF, which is usually selected as default. And you may also select the content you would like to include, like everything or no images, if your page, for example, contains images. And also select your page format, which is usually set to A4, but you can go with letter, A3, and so on and so forth. Click into export, wait for the exporting to be finished, and after that, your page will be opened in a PDF file format, in this case here, without the image, guys. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.